how to see who viewed your Facebook story, not friends. So if you want to see who viewed your Facebook story, but not only your friends or the other persons, so what you need to do is simply open up your Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and you need to go with the help and support option. Once you're under the help and support, you need to go with report a problem, and then tap on continue to report a problem, and it will start creating a report. So to unlock the feature, you can simply go and report that problem to Facebook, and it will unlock that feature on your Facebook. So just wait till it creates the report page, and then tap on don't include. Scroll down, and here you just need to simply go with stories option, and here you will have an option of describe the issue. So under this, what you need to do is simply go and describe the issue. So you need to write out, I want to be able to see all my story viewers and not just my friends. Once you've entered that, you can go with send, which is on the upper right. You can simply hit the arrow and it will be sent. So you just need to simply wait for 24 hours, and within 24 hours, Facebook support will actually add this feature, or it will let you know in your email that how you can see your Facebook story viewers. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.